Hey everyone, Dave here. Today I want to talk about the shotgun mountain bike tow rope. Not just for towing kids, but for towing e-bikes as well and full-sized adults. Let's open these boxes and find out what's inside and then show you how to hook them up to a bike. Check it out. Alright, so let's start with box number one. This is the one that contains the mountain bike tow rope itself. So let's crack this box open. We've got a manual. And we've got some stickers which are super rad. My son is going to absolutely love these. Last but not least, we have the tow rope. The tow rope has the saddle connector and a carabiner with a little loop. We'll figure out how to fit that to the bike that's being towed. In the other box is the kids hip pack. So because I'll be using this for my son, I'm getting him the hip pack so that he can carry his own tow rope, because I'll be towing him. Why should I have to carry the whole damn thing? There is a super cool little bag there. Another instruction manual. And another set of stickers. Noah's going to be absolutely pumped. Inside the bag you've got two compartments. So one is for snacks, treats, whatever else you want your kiddo to carry. And a space for the tow rope itself, which is super cool. So you'll pack this little bad boy up once you're done. Pop it in the compartment and zip it up and you're good to go. Alright, let's have a look at attaching it to the towing bike and the bike to be towed. So it looks like you've got two different ways that you can attach this little bad boy to your bike. You can hook it over the nose and sit on the top of it, which to me looks a little uncomfortable. I think my option would be to sling it underneath and sit on less stuff so that you're comfortable on the climb, and have it coming out just underneath the bottom of your seat. Alright, so I think there's three different ways that you can attach this little fella to your bike, or the bike that you're towing. You can go straight over the top and have it just tacked on there just for a short tow. You can loop it and swoop it and have it coming off one side of the bars. But my personal favourite, and the way that I think that I'll use this, is around the stem and out the middle like this. From there, you just grab your carabiner that's on the end of the tow rope here, hook it on, and you're good to go. Okay, so the big question you've probably got if you're going to be dropping 140 bucks on this little setup here, this is New Zealand dollars, is how is it built? What's it like? This thing is absolutely flawless and amazing. You know how when you buy something that's a little bit cheap, a little bit nasty, you've got to go along and cut little tuggies off the stitching and stuff like that. This thing is absolutely impeccable. Can't complain with the quality at all. That's mirrored in the other products that Shotgun put out. So Kids Ride Shotgun. The hip pack, it's exactly the same. It's absolutely flawlessly made. There's no little tuggies or weird bits or anything like that. And I'm super happy with how it's built and what I paid for it. It's absolutely incredible. The guys from Shotgun, they're based locally to me, so I'm in Tauranga, New Zealand. These guys are also based in Tauranga or Mount Maunganui. Good guys. I've met Dan, who's one of the owners, and he's a really top bloke. These guys also produce the Kids Ride Shotgun seats, so the little seats that sit in the middle of the top tube of your bike. They also have a little handlebar accessory so that you can take your kids along on your riding adventures. This thing here, because my kid's a little bit bigger, he's nearly 6, he's obviously old enough to ride his own bike. You will have seen the review of the 20-inch Rip Rock that he's rocking at the moment. But he does need a little bit of assistance up the hills so that he can enjoy his times going down the hills, which is what mountain biking is all about. Am I right? So yeah, if you have a kid who is reasonably independent, a good rider, and you want to assist them up the hills, or you know that they get tired on longer rides or whatever, and you just need to give them that little bit of assistance, then I think this thing is absolutely gold. Right at the very start of this video I mentioned that this could be a really good option for an e-bike rider, so like an e-bike tow rope. Think about it like a tow rope that you would use in your car. Your e-bike breaks down and you need a tow. Maybe that is what this can be used for an e-biker as well. To be fair, I'm kind of taking the piss a little, but you're an e-bike rider, so why not? If you enjoyed this review of this the shotgun tow rope, please like, comment, subscribe, do all the cool things for me. I really appreciate the support, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks very much.